Ayun, thank you for watching with us. This actually your first time also all together watching it with you guys. So super special to. And please, if you enjoyed it, please tell your friends, your family, your coworkers to watch it. May 1 na po nationwide. No? Thank you so much.
Okay ba? Natuwa ba kayo? Please post about it sa social media. Alam ko naman lahat kayo may Facebook, may Instagram, tsaka meron kayong mga TikTok. Upload it na lang. Huwag yung film, yung nagaganda tayo. Ang galing-galing ng ng cast natin, pati yung director natin.
Yes, first time namin panoorin. And ewan ko, parang hindi ko maiisip na ako yun. Na ako si Aika. Hindi ko lahat magagawa yun kung hindi dahil kay Direk and of course kay Morgan. So, thank you. Thank you.
I don't know why. I don't know how many times I've done this, but I'm like super excited right now. I hope you guys liked it. Oh, there you go. Thank you. I hope you guys liked it. It was definitely challenging. Probably the best project I've ever got. And I was really glad that I did it with Gino, first of all. And of course, the last one. And Sally G, thank you for reading this story live. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And this time we will have our Q&A right at this moment. So I have here list of names that I will call in for the questions. But after this, kung sino pa po yung may questions sa inyo, just raise your hand and we will give you the microphone. Alright, so for first question, it'll be coming from Mark Magadia of Maganda Ba Movie. Mark, okay, upstairs.
Hello guys. So question for Evan and Mario. So after watching the film, ano yung pakiramdam? Now that you watched it.
Grabe nag-series nga ako dun sa kay Rose. Sabi ko ba yan? Tapos nung nalaman natin na meron pala siyang girlfriend. Tapos narinig ko rin lahat na, So nakakatawa lang na parang sobrang, alam mo yung narinig yung tawa, yung mga iyak nila, or basta yung mga comments niyong lahat, narinig namin kanina. So ako natutuwa ako personally.
Yeah, definitely. Like, we just wanted to bring a story that people could relate to, and I hope. Have you guys related to the movie? Yes. Okay, we're gonna do it.
Yes.
It feels good. Sometimes with the projects you have, you feel cringe and measuring about. But with this one, nothing super proud of it. Really happy about it.
For the kasi I'm just wondering, saan sila nagkape?
Natin.
Tinan natin, baka mag-sequel to. So, let's hope for the best. If it does well, I hope there's a sequel. Kasi dami pa lang kwento na pwede puntahan. No, may lapse of 2 years and may future ba na nangyayari. So, sana.
Ako alam ko kung saan sila nagkape.
Saan?
Dun sa Pula at Dilaw. Yung Pula at Dilaw.
Isa sila
Sa McDo, din.
Sorry. Okay.
Alright, for our next question, we have Pao Canyamo, a TikTok content creator and an influencer.
First and foremost, congratulations to sobrang grabe. Kala ko, kung i-reach ko yung poster itself, parang like, but no, sobrang lagi pala talaga ng movie din, sobrang heavy. But direct, isang question. Kasi parang nanging question na yung last part. May part 2.
That depends on you guys, on how much you make noise and how much this gets across as much as possible. I love Bruno Marco, and again, I think marami pang pwedeng kwento sa characters nila. So, ayun. Yeah. And I love that.
May title na tayo para sa part 2 kasi marami akong librong sinulat eh.
And for Marvin, may parang may sila parang hindi siya script. Yung parang sa tanong ka, parang ang sarap ng boss mo. Parang oo, naramdaman ko yung tao yun.
Oo, masarap yung balls na kinain ko. Kasi siguro 50% ng script or ng buong movie, parang si Tarek, parang binibigyan niya kami ng freedom to like improvise. So basta nandun yung context and maalala namin for the next shot. Ganun yung nangyayari. So yes, actually yung isa sa mga favorite scenes ko yung kwek-kwek kasi sobrang natural ng partner.
No, it was fun. It was definitely like the fact that gave us again like the freedom to play with the lines, and a lot of the scenes there were ad-libs in it, and I think that's what made it in a way natural, just because it was freeing and it wasn't sticking to the script. Even the fight, have you guys noticed the sweat on the neck? Yeah, it was 3 hours long because of the different shots, but yeah, I love that improv kind of thing.
Thank you. We found that your reaction to your success video. And lastly, my last question. Paano ko kayo nag-prepare sa fantasy sa video?
I used to not do this, but then heaven taught me a way where kapag may heavy scene kami tapos hindi kami hindi niya talaga ako makakusap. Like, as in, she's gonna start acting mad towards me, or lagi na lang ako nagugulat kasi, shit, ba't hindi naman ako? Like, may sinabi ba ako naman, tapos check na yung sequence kaya, mabigat, okay, you know, alam ko na. But, yeah, definitely, we have a way how to get ourselves into the moment, and we're just, you know, she gets all close up, ako naman, automatic na lang, earphones, and, you know, I would just start thinking how would it feel to lose up, and it just adds up.
Ako kasi, favorite ko yung mga heavy scenes. So, for me naman, as long as alam ko yung nangyayari yung storya, doon ako na nakakuhod. Pero malaking factor na ginagawa ko with Marco. Just because kailangan na namin yung isa't isa. And yung mga away na yun, parang nagiging tayo na, alam mo yung kaya namin makarelate kumbaga. And so may kumukukulan ako. Siyempre, ang ano yan, isuluhan. It's about knowing na komportable kayo sa isa't isa para lumabas yung vulnerability. And I'm just so glad na I can do it with Marco and of course with Tarek at the time na sobrang patient niya sa amin. Binigyan niya talaga kami ng panahon, kumbaga, na to get into character. Kasi, ano lang to, di ba parang one take? Yes, one take lang to eh. Madami ng shots pero one take. So,
Thank you very much. That was Tom Maniago, as a top content creator and influencer. Up next, we have CJ Wada of CJ Says Vlog.
Hi guys. So, congratulations nga pala sa movie, and it was fun. My question is for Sir Sandy, Direk, Kevin, Marco, and even ikaw yung gusto mo ba? Positive bang Manila ang taga-Quezon City? Sir Sally.
Oo naman. Oo naman. Pwede.
Paano ko mag-work despite the distance and the traffic?
Kaya yun yung ginawa nila, nag-live-in.
It's always possible na nag-aalabang ako and nakita mo rin ako sa taga-QC. So, a lot of sacrifices, but also communication.
Yeah. It's like, you know, now maybe like a couple years ago, just because there weren't their phones, but now it's like you don't have an excuse. If you love somebody, you make it work. Doesn't matter where, doesn't matter how, you know. You sacrifice, you put in your time, you do everything for it. That should be your favorite.
Totoo naman. Naisip ko rin ngayon na parang kahit na hindi QC alam eh. Kahit galing akong trabaho, kahit sobrang pagod na pagod ako, like 18 hours of work, pupuntahan ko pa rin ang mahal mo. Hindi pa rin kami ayun at mapagod na ako. So, alam mo yun, like, ang ending na nun is gano'n ko kamahal.